Hey everybody, just wanted to show you guys the blue building. Since me, Robbie Layton, and Jim have toured this place and showed you what was inside here during the first video, we've had to come back. The old owners have taken all their stuff, forklift included unfortunately, and now we have to just get all of our stuff that we've stored in here organized and ready for tools to get here. We've already sourced a press brake, it's on the way. It's actually going to take 5 months, but we have like one that we can borrow in the meantime. We need a plasma table, and all this stuff's going to go right here. It's just like we have our sheet metal rack that's going to go in this corner. Probably going to put the plasma table right here, and then the press brake over here. We'll have like a welding table, fabrication table right here, bandsaw in that corner, and then over in this direction we're just going to leave it open. Probably a couple vehicle lifts, maybe like a bend pack lift or two right here, but leave it open so we can pull equipment in and out and work on it. We're gonna be putting these racks up today so we can kind of get all this stuff off the ground and just organized on the racks. But tomorrow morning, me and a friend of mine, Bud, you might know Bud from Sparks Motors, we are headed down to California to pick up our Fabricator and a bunch of his tools. So he has like a plasma table and some other stuff. But yeah, we're gonna go load up a truck, head down to California, pick him up, pick up all of his tools, and come back. So as these guys get this organized, me and Bud are gonna head down to California. So enjoy the ride. Do it. Alright, it's Friday morning and we are loading up to leave town. Where are we going? We're going to go pick up some tools. We got a lead on a plasma table, and that plasma table actually comes with a fabricator. So we're going to take this saw body Cummins down to Vegas for a customer. We got a new person to help us haul some stuff around. You might recognize him, Budwin. Shout out to Bud. Bud actually has moved on from Sparks Motors, and he is now working for himself, and he's going to be getting in his CDL.
Definitely.
Yeah, he passed his test yesterday. You got to take his driving test, and then you're off to the races. All right, Bud, let's get out of here.
That's what we're doing.
We got about a 10-hour drive ahead of us.
Yeah,
it's probably going to about 12 hours. So we should be. Any bets on what time we're rolling? I say 9 o'clock at night.
I say 10:30.
Okay. I say 9 o'clock. He says 10:30. We'll see. Real quick, before we get into Ridgecrest, I wanted to introduce the fabricator that we have coming on board. Couldn't be more excited that he's coming and he has equipment. So that's why we're coming down here to pick everything up. We just unloaded this 40-foot trailer. We should be picking up a couple vehicles from him and a plasma table and maybe some odds and ends. You've maybe seen him before. He was on the Diesel Brothers show. That's how I know him. But his name's Aaron Cooper. He helped build like the AMC Eagle, the F100, the 6x6. The guy literally can build about anything. So I'm excited to get him up at the shop and get rolling on projects. We should be just a few more weeks getting things organized, and then we should start on our first build. All right, we just got down to Aaron's shop here in Ridgecrest, or the middle of nowhere, really. But what do we got to load up here?
Take a few things. We're gonna take the toolbox, saw, iron worker. We got an FJ40 FLS swap. That's got to go up there. We have plasma table, Can-Am X3, some BFG race tires, and whatever else we can really fit on there.
load this with everything we possibly can put on this trailer. So we're just getting it as close as we possibly can to this FJ.
What's the legal width of the lane?
104 inches.
104. Yeah, then we're not gonna be able to put that thing up there sideways.
No,
I have
the
to try
trailer is
to,
probably 102 wide.
maybe we can hang it off the back of the dovetail, the Can-Am long ways, and just drop the rear tires and set it on the trailing arms and strap the hell out of it. We'll figure it out. It's gonna go. I don't know. Looks a little airy, huh? It'll fit. It's gonna fit. Right?
Think that's gonna work?
I kind of feel a little bit better about it being on the back just because it's not overhanging and putting more weight on the truck. But she's pretty close to the back there, but we'll be all right. We're good.
All right, guys, we are officially loaded up. Tires, wheels, tools, FJ Cruiser, Can-Am, all of Aaron's crap on this trailer, ready to go to Utah, and about a 12-hour drive ahead of us. So me and Bud got to get out on the road and get home. Aaron will be behind us tomorrow. Tuesday morning, we'll be in the shop setting up, so stay tuned. Hey, Bud.
Yeah.
Just for the road trip,
Okay.
what should I do to my van?
I think you should four-wheel drive it, Cole. Do a decent lift, 4 to 6 inch. Do a nice deep dish wheel, 14, 12, 14. Maybe something, not quite a really aggressive mud train, but not quite a street commercial tire. Something that looks good, functions well. Upgrade the axles, so do, I don't know, maybe a Dana 60 front. I mean, personally, Cole, I think you should go find an old, like 80 square body, 4-wheel drive, doesn't matter what the body's like. Pull the axles off from under it so you match your axles and your trans and your transfer case and make it cool. Maybe later on down the road put a mild LS in it. Nothing wild, but something that's got a little more pep to its step, reliability. Just make it a family hauling machine. Maybe do a cool old western wrap to it. Keep it old school. Maybe do a little bit, maybe put a digital dash and stuff in it. Upgrade it, bring it up to modern. Maybe put some flip down screens in it. I don't know, Cole. We'll just see where it goes. See what happens.
All right, we just pulled into town. We got all of Aaron's stuff. We got the FJ, plasma table, tools and whatnot. We're organizing the warehouse right now, and we're gonna get these tools in there, get it hooked up, and get cranking on something.
I just feel like it just went on so easy, and it's not going to come off. Well, it's going to come off easier, but not as planned.
Yeah. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Bud, want me to whoop-eyed, Bud? Today's the day.
Yeah, that's what they want to do. I mean, I would just prefer.
Absolutely, it's the only way to do it.
It worked. What do you think?
It's good. That's all I've been through. Hell with that. Well, we were switching forks. Yeah. One of my favorite disc sander I've owned. So. too bad to roll until the press unit.
All right, the shop is starting to look like a real shop. We got tools, we got fabricator, plasma table, bandsaw. We're almost off to the races. We got a few other things to do, but until next time, guys, thanks for watching.